We want to see, A, is it the low cost of natural gas that's generating this resurgence in manufacturing jobs? Are there other reasons? And so I'm going to kind of flip it over, the question here, and flip it over to the other side of the coin and ask, we've had the testimony about pro-natural gas. What are the other obstacles that you've observed in your expansion within your own industry, of any barriers, speed bumps, or whatever, that maybe we can address? Mr. Ciccio, you go first, and then we'll just go from my left to right. And make it quick.
Speed bumps for energy-intensive manufacturers are many, including regulations. Regulations, for example, the industrial boiler mat, hugely expensive. Manufacturers, in terms of the next speed bump, are concerned about what happens to electricity costs as a result of EPA regulations on the electric utility sector that's forcing coal to gas. But the costs of those environmental regulations all get pushed on to us. In the future, regulations of greenhouse gases.
Mr. Cordell.
Well, just to echo the previous gentleman, I think regulations are an important part of something that we need to address. Drilling permits on federal lands, onshore and offshore, we need to make sure that those are expedited and streamlined, as well as leaving the regulations of the extraction to the states. Thank you.
Do you have anything? A little bit out of it.
Well, I would offer something positive, which is I think everyone on the panel and I would agree that one thing that our manufacturers need is support for industrial energy efficiencies such as combined heat and power or waste heat recovery. This, as you know, reduces the cost of energy, and they're installed here in America by American labor, and they spur tremendous private investment as well as making all the products more competitive around the globe. So I think that's something that this committee could certainly support, is combined heat and power industrial energy efficiency.
Mr. Greenblatt.
I agree with all the impediments that were just mentioned.